Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Happy Sunday, happy Walgreens Day. I wasn't expecting there to be such an amazing group of deals this morning, but there totally was. I'm going to share how I scored all of these items that you see, not only free, but I made $13 buying it all. So many things to share with you guys this morning. First of all, thank you so much for all the sweet comments on my Mother's Day video that I did with my son. It was really fun to do that with him. He had been wanting to be in a video and y'all were so sweet. He might make some guest appearances this summer since he'll be home with me as I'm trying to work this job and my other job. That should be interesting. There are some fantastic deals that I'm going to tell you about. I'm going to tell you about the deals that I did curbside. I'll tell you about the deals that I did in store. I'll tell you all the coupons I used, what cashback apps I used. I break it down, what I hope is super simple so that everyone can understand. But if you are brand new to shopping at Walgreens and you want some basic tutorials, I have a number of Walgreens tutorials that are a great place to start. I will drop them down in the comments section and I will pin them. That way you guys can see them clearly. One thing I want to tell you about, this was up at the register for me. It says thank you for donating, but they just had these out for people to grab, and they are free Redbox codes or $1.25 off at like the kiosk. So I have both coupons. One is for a free movie, one is for $1.25 off. So look for these coupons by the register. Now, I want to tell you about this ice cream deal first so I can get it back in my freezer and it doesn't sit here melting. The Fetch Rewards app currently has 100% points back on the Talenti sorbets. Now, I thought it was just for the pairings, which I cannot find anywhere at any of the stores near me. But it also includes the mango and the raspberry varieties. So follow me on this. I bought 3 of these at $6.47. That's the regular price. There is a $2 digital coupon, but do not clip it. And I'll tell you why. Okay, so you're going to pay $6.47 times 3. If you want to pay with Walgreens cash, you can. Then submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app where you're going to get $6.47 back for each of them. It is a limit of 3. Just double check your Fetch app and make sure you do have that offer. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get $1 back on each of them, so a $3 moneymaker. But then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $2 back for buying at least 2 of them, making them all free and a $5 moneymaker on that raspberry sorbet. And I can't wait to taste it. It's dairy free. I'm excited for that. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, you've never used it before, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. They, maybe once a month we'll have 100% points back on products, allowing you to try out products completely free. So it's a very cool app. Okay, now let me tell you about the in-store deals that I did, because we all know now that if a deal is a register reward deal, we have to do it in the store now, okay? You can do it shipped to home if you want, and you'll get Walgreens cash, but if you do curbside, you're not getting anything, okay? So I did both the Crest and the Colgate deals in store. But let me tell you how they worked. True Walgreens morning this morning. There are a number of products that are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. You do not want to do those in the same transaction because you're only going to get one $4 register reward. So any of the deals that are buy 2, get a $4 register reward, you can pay with Walgreens cash, but you do not want to do them in the same transaction. Okay, so I had to buy 2, but I bought 3 because I had a $5 off 3 coupon. So I bought 3 at $3, so that's $9 total, minus the $5 digital. I paid $4. My $4 register reward didn't print. I don't know why. Did I do something wrong? Drop it down in the comments. I'm okay. Tell me. The cashier couldn't figure it out either. My store is amazing. I love them. They gave me the $4 in Walgreens cash because, ironically, the advertisement printed out that said, buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, but the register reward didn't print out. So who knows? Try that at your own risk, but it is a Procter & Gamble product, so you know we're going to submit that receipt to pggoodeveryday.com because that's going to give us points back, and then we can redeem those points for gift cards. So if you're not a part of that program yet, I do have a link where you can join completely free in my video description box. You scan your receipt, you get points, you cash out those points for gift cards. You're not paying any more for the products. You're just getting more stuff for it. I actually got 2 free Starbucks drinks this week using those points. Now, second deal you want to do in store is on these Colgates. They are $2.99 each. When you buy 2, you'll get a $4 register reward. Can you pay in Walgreens cash? You absolutely can. So, $2.99 times 2, that's $5.98. I had 2 different $1 digitals, but true to Walgreens, only one of those digitals came off. That's why I love Curbside, because I can see what's going to work and what's not. For some reason, only $1 came off. So I was supposed to pay $3.98, getting back a $4 register reward. I ended up paying $4.98. I did get back my $4 register reward on this one, but again, if you have those 2 $1 coupons, let me know if both of yours came off, because only one of mine did. Now, while you're in the store, we're going to go ahead and run down that candy aisle, because there were so many things priced 90% off, and on top of that, there were even more deals. So let me tell you about my favorite one. It's on these icebreakers, and this is on the watermelon ones. These were marked down for 33 cents. There is a store digital coupon for $1 off too. Store digital coupons are going to auto adjust down to the price of the item. So 33 cents, but I got each one of them for free because that $1 off 2 coupon took off 33 cents for each of them. So awesome deal on these icebreakers. Let's keep with the gum. This pure wintergreen gum was marked 90% off, so it was 15 cents. This Trident, also 90% off. It was marked 40 cents, and that's a 3-pack of Trident. There was more gum. The Fruit Stripes. This Fruit Stripes gum, this reminded me of childhood. I used to have these as a kid. 15 cents for a pack. The Snickers peanut butter, these were 15 cents each. So check your store. The Sweet Tart Ropes, 33 cents. The Red Vines Red Ropes, these were also 33 cents. I recently made some like good show gifts for a show that my son was in. So I made gifts out of like candy. Instead of giving them flowers, I made them like bouquets of candy. And so I grabbed candy at 90% off, planning to do gifts or add to gift baskets for birthday parties or whatever over the next couple of months. These Hershey bars here, these were just 16 cents. None of these products were expired. They're just coming out with either new packaging or just a whole new line of products. People always ask why they clearance out stuff. Now, these Reese's Crunches, I keep calling them Crunches, Reese's Crunchy Peanut. They are 25 cents each, but they're also buy one, get one half off. So one rang up 25 cents, one rang up 12 cents. The one that's going to be tempting for me, the peanut M&M mix, they are buy one, get one half off as well. So one at 25 cents, the other is going to ring up 12 cents. These big bags here, 50 cents a piece. Crazy awesome deal if that candy is your jam. The trolley, this is the sour crunchy crawlers, and these are hard. They're not like the soft ones, but these were 30 cents each, I believe. And then the M&Ms, the M&M bar, this is the only one I saw on clearance. These were just 28 cents. Okay, now let me tell you the deal I did Curbside. This is how I used my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. Now, I also went through Rakuten. So this is crazy easy, and you have to do it this week if you've never done it before, because they are offering 15% cash back. Now, with Rakuten, everyone, new users, old users, 15% cash back at Walgreens. I'm not sure when that ends, but as of today, Sunday, it was still working. Now, new users, use my link down below, because not only will you get that 15% cash back, but when you spend $40 out of pocket, you will get $40 back. It's the best bonus that I have seen them have. So all you have to do is use my link, sign up. People who already have it, go to Rakuten, type in Walgreens, click on Walgreens. It takes you to the Walgreens website. Everything else you do just as normal for curbside pickup. I'm going to tell you the deals I did individually, then I'm going to tell you how I put them together for the best deal. So the face mask here, $2.39. There's a $2 digital coupon, making it just 39 cents. Now, the Poise, One by Poise, they're buy one, get one half off. So I bought one at $7.79. The second one is going to ring up $3.89. There's a $2 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $9.68. I had a $4 back from Fetch Rewards when I bought two. I had $5 back from Ibotta when I bought two. So I got $9 back total, making my final cost just 68 cents. Now, this Mederma, $20.99. There's a $7 digital and a $5 store digital, leaving you to pay $8.99. But there's an Ibotta offer for $5 back, making it just $3.99. But I promise it's going to get better. Stay with me for just another minute. Also, if you're brand new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code, because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, the Bactine, $9.99 minus the $1.50 digital, minus the $2 store digital. I paid $6.49, got back $5 from Ibotta, making it $1.49 total. The last thing I did, and I did this last week, and it did work, I got the Vital Proteins collagen peptides, $1.89. I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app, and I got $5.40 back, making it completely free and a $3.51 moneymaker. If you're brand new to Shopkick, use code SWC5 when you sign up, and you'll get $5 back when you scan your first receipt. Now, follow me here. For my curbside order, you grab these two Poise, you grab the Mederma, you grab the Bactine, and you get this Vital Proteins. Use the code HEALTH20. It's taking 20% off when you're spending $40. And so that code took off $5.41 for me. So all of those items together ended up being completely free and a $2.76 moneymaker. When you add the fact that I spent $20 and I get $5 back from my digital booster, they all end up being completely free and a $7.76 moneymaker. So amazing deals that I wasn't expecting when I woke up this morning, and I was messing around with the deals last night. Like I said, everything ended up being free and a $13 moneymaker. Now, I may end up back at Walgreens later this week because I have a feeling there are going to be some better deals. When I was checking out my favorite ladies, one of them brought this, what is this? Nail polish. Nail polish up to the register. She's like, hey, these are 90% off. Do you want them? I'm like, yeah, I definitely want a couple, and I want to take a picture of that clearance tag. So these Essie nail polishes, and she said it was all the colors. She was marking 90% off. That means they were 90 cents. And I thought that was an amazing deal. But you know what? There's a Fetch offer for $2 back. So check your Fetch app, because that made this completely free and a $1.10 moneymaker. So fantastic deals, a great week at Walgreens. My plan is to shop CVS this week as well, so hopefully you'll see a CVS video from me here shortly. I think that Rakuten, with the 15% cash back, I ended up with over $5 back there as well. It was just a great morning for cash back. If y'all have questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I will also be posting all of the pictures here at the end of the video so you can see all the stuff that I saw when I was at the store this morning. Thanks.